Hi everyone, it's Sunday night around 7:30. The futures are open. This is video number 241 and it's your weekly update on the gold. Starting off with the weekly chart because on Friday we actually closed at 1756.3, as you can see, and that was the highest close from looks like about 7 weeks ago at 1752.80. So we are already at a new closing high on the weekly, and I think that the chart is very constructive. I'm going to push it out a little by going to the nearby and going to a 2-year chart. And as you can see, we've had, some very, very reliable chart information coming our way. One of the most reliable charting formations is this saucer, sometimes called a cup and a handle. And then when we break out, we generally have a pretty major move. It'd be hard to dispute that this breakout above 1300 and the rally immediately to 1550 is anything but a major move. I'm going to push it out even further so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at, which is the monthly, because although I see this market as really strong, I think that if you look at it on a longer term basis, it looks even stronger. This was the original move that we had from around the 2003 area. It was a steady climb. We topped out, consolidated, tried another top, and then fell back down. As you can see, this area where we broke out around 1050 or 1100 held the decline, and we went through yet another 3 or 4 year consolidation before we broke out. Now, going back to the daily, I'm going to show you that what we in fact have here is a chart that has only one more stop higher than where it is right now. Tonight it's trading at 1761.10. As you can see, it's up $4.80. The high day, which occurred here on the 14th of April, had a close of 1768.90. We are currently 1761.20. If we go through there, I cannot imagine that this top, which was 1788 and change, is going to be any kind of a holding spot. And I think that, in all sincerity, this move that we had from 1935 back down to 10,000 and 1,050 could yield a move, and I'm not talking about today, tomorrow, or even next year, but I think that the long-term move in gold is much, much higher than where we are. And I know that it may sound absurd, but I'm thinking that the number 3,000 is not out of the realm of possibility. Have a good night. I'll be back in the morning with your pre-open comment.